Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to reset password on Netflix. Let's start. So, this is one of the things that's I'd say very common, or I would say easiest, process that you could, change password for security reasons. So you need to update your password from time to time, especially, for example, there may be other people who would, attempt or try to access your Netflix account. But, just so you know, Netflix is a very user friendly, subscription. And the way for you to change your password, you can just actually go to your account. So, say for instance, you access your Netflix account and then you click on this one. I'm just actually having it here just to cover personal information. When you go to your account page, guys, there's an option for you to change password just right here. Okay. So basically, when you click on that, it would ask you for your original password before you could actually change your new password, just to make sure that it is the account holder who's accessing it, obviously. And just in case you're gonna be having trouble changing your password, you could always go to Help Center. For you to do that, like, if you click on the upper right portion of the page, there's like always the Help Center link in there, and then you can just change here how can just I mean you can just type here how to change password. And Netflix is very user friendly. They would actually lead you to appropriate or correct links for you to make changes with your password. So that's it. If you want to learn more about Netflix, guys, you can always subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.